Welcome to students and viewers. Here we will do a few important exercises on pair of angles and linear pair. So let us start with question number 1. XY lines XY and MN, they are intersecting at O. This is the line XY and MN, they are intersecting at O. Angle POY, this angle is POY, this is 90 degree, right angle this is, and it is given that A is to B is 2:3. Ratio of the angle POM and MOX, they are in the ratio 2:3. Find angle C. What is angle C? Means XON, right? So let us solve this. It is given that angle POY equal to 90 degree. It's a right angle. So if it is 90 degree, POY, therefore angle POX equal to 90 degree. POX is also 90 degree. Now what is POX? Why it is 90 degree? Since XOY is a line. Since XY is a line. XY is a line. So on a straight line, we call it linear pair. XY is a line. XY, XOY. It's a line. So if one angle is 90 degree, other angle is also 90 degree. So POX equal to 90 degree. Now what is POX? A plus B equal to 90. Sum of A and B is also 90. Now it is given that A is to B equal to 2:3. That means A by B equal to 2/3. This implies that twice of B equal to thrice of A, right? Twice of B equal to thrice of A. Now in this line, suppose this is relation 1. So from 1, if you can write it twice of A plus twice of B equal to 180. Just multiplying this by 2. Twice of A plus twice of B is 180. A plus B is 90. Both sides we are multiplying 2. That means twice of B means thrice of A. From this relationship we got it. A is to B is 2:3. A by B equal to 2/3. That means by cross multiplying we got it. Twice of B equal to thrice of A. Now instead of twice of B we will write it as thrice of A. Twice of B equal to thrice of A, 180. So if you solve this, 5A equal to 180. This implies that A is equal to 180 by 5. That means 36. Right? Now you have to find C. Now you see that MON is a line. Right? MON is a line. Therefore, B plus C equal to 180. Right? If A equal to 36, what is B? A equal to 36, you can find it from here. Twice of B equal to thrice of A. B equal to thrice of A divided by 2. Right? B equal to thrice of A divided by 2. That means 3 into 36 divided by 2. That means 108 divided by 2. That means 54. B equal to 54. Now B plus C equal to 180. Since MON is a line. MON, it's a line. B plus C, it's a linear pair. B plus C, 180 degree. So B is 54. C 180. B plus C 180. C equal to 180 minus 54. So 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. 126. So C is 126 degree. That means angle XON equal to 126 degree. Right? Now let us solve this question number 2. Question number 2. Let us solve this. Now, in the figure, angle PQR equal to PRQ. PQR. This angle equal to PRQ. They are equal. We have to prove that PQS, that means this angle, exterior angle equal to PRT, another exterior angle. Right? So let us prove this. PQR equal to angle PRQ, given this. Right? Now you see angle PQR plus angle PQS is 180 degree, linear pair. This angle plus this angle 180 degree. Similarly, PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180 degree. This is again linear pair. Now these two relationship you can compare. They are both right hand sides are same, so you can compare PQR plus PQS equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Right? Since this is equal to 180 degree, this is also 180 degree, so we can compare this. Now let us transpose the equal terms, or let us write PQR equal to PRQ. We can cancel this one. Before that, we will write one more step. Angle PQR plus angle PQS. PRQ is PQR, so we will write it as PQR plus PRT. Now, why we are writing PQR? Since PRQ is also PQR. Now we can cancel the same terms on the both side. PQR cancel each other. Therefore, you got angle PQS equal to angle PRT. This has to be proved, right? Next, in question number 3. In the figure, it is given that x plus y equal to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a line. This point of intersection is O. This point is O. AOB is a line. Right? So how do you prove AOB is a line? Like suppose this is AOB, and if you can prove that it's a linear pair, say, if you can prove the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, then you can say AOB is a line. Since it's a linear pair means these two angles are on the same line. Then you can prove AOB is a line. Now it is given that x plus y equal to w plus z, given, right? X plus y equal to w plus z. Again you see sum of all these angles with the common vertex will be 360 degree. Again, x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the angles at a given point is 360 degree. Right? Now, in place of x plus y equal to w plus z, we can write it as w plus z plus w plus z equal to 360 degree. 360. Now, we are writing x plus y equal to w plus z since it is given. That means twice of w plus z equal to 360. So what is W plus Z? Equal to 360 divided by 2, 180. Now W plus Z equal to 180 degree. 180. That means, what is meant by W plus Z 180? That means angle AOD plus angle DOB equal to 180 degree. Right? W plus W means angle DOB. This is W. And Z means angle AOD. This is Z. Right? So W plus Z 180 degree means this is the sum of these two angles 180 degree. That means it's a linear pair. Therefore, AOB is a line. Since angle AOD and angle DOB is a linear pair. So we got these two angles AOD and DOB. They constitute a linear pair. Therefore, AOB is a line. Right? Now let us come to question number 4. Question number 4. This is question number 4. In the given figure, PQR is a line. PQR is a straight line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. This ray OR, it is perpendicular to line PQ. That means this angle is 90 degree. OS is another ray in between OR and OP. This ray, this lies in between OR and OP. Then prove that angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Angle ROS means this angle. This angle is half of angle QOS. QOS minus angle POS. POS. So find the relationship between angle ROS, this angle, with angle QOS and angle POS. Now let us prove this. You see again, it is given that OR, this ray is perpendicular to PQ, this line, right? Therefore, angle ROQ, this is 90 degree. Angle ROQ is 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, then you can say angle ROP, this is also 90 degree. Since ROQ and ROP they constitute a linear pair, therefore if it is 90 degree, ROQ is 90 degree, ROP is also 90 degree. Now ROP means you can write it in terms of OS, right? ROP means angle ROS plus angle POS equal to 90 degree, right? ROS equal to ROP equal to ROS ROP. This angle you can write in terms of OS, means it's a sum of these two angles. ROP is a sum of these two angles. So we are writing it ROS plus angle POS is 90 degree. Now in the given question, you have to find the relationship with angle QOS. So let us write angle QOS. Angle QOS OS equal to, you can write it as angle ROQ plus angle ROS, right? Since the ray OR that lies in between OS and OQ, so we can write it angle QOS as a sum of two angles, ROS plus ROQ. Now ROQ means 90 degree plus angle ROS, angle QOS. Now you see, you can replace this 90 degree with this relationship from relationship 1. Therefore, you will write it as angle QOS equal to 90 degree means this sum of these two angles, ROS plus angle POS plus angle ROS. Now ROS you got it two times, twice of angle ROS plus angle POS. So from here you can separate angle twice of ROS. So you will do, what you will do, you will transpose this third term to the left hand side. That means angle QOS minus angle POS equal to twice of angle ROS. Now interchanging the sides, we will write this to the left hand side and this to the right hand side. Twice of angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Therefore, angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Dividing both sides by 2, we got it, right? So this was to be proved, angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hope you understood this one. So this is proved. This has to be proved. Now let us come to question number 5. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. Let us make XYZ angle. Say this is 64 degree. So we'll treat this X, Y, Z. This is suppose 64 degree, right? XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. Let us extend this to the point P. This is say P. Draw a figure from the given information. We got this figure. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, ZYP means this angle, you have to make another ray. Ray YQ bisects means the ray will divide this angle equally into two equal parts. So let us make like this. Now this angle and this angle are equal. This is Q, suppose. So if it is X, this is also X. Or you will, since symbol X is already used, we will write it as A, and this is also A. These two angles are equal. Find XYQ. What is XYQ? You have to find this angle XYQ. And reflex angle QYP. QYP. A reflex angle QYP means you will go like this way, right? Right? You will go this way. Reflex angle. So let us solve this. given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. XY is produced to P, means XY is produced to P. Therefore, XYP is a line. Since it is a line, we will write it as angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is 180 degree linear pair, right? Since XYP is a line, angle XYZ plus ZYP, sum of them is 180 degree. They are supplementary linear pair. Now XYZ means 64 degree plus angle ZYP. ZYP means ZYP in terms of ray YQ, you can write it as angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to 180 degree. 64 degree plus. Now angle ZYQ. ZYQ is A, or you see this ray is bisecting this angle. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So you can write it as angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ equal to 180 degree. So you got twice of angle ZYQ equal to 180 minus 64 degree. Therefore, angle ZYQ equal to minus of this 10 minus 4 6 8 7 minus 6 1 116 divided by 2, that means 58 degree. So this angle is 58 degree. If it is 58, this angle is also 58 degree. So you got XYQ. Find angle XYQ. XYQ. Now what is XYQ? Therefore angle XYQ equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. That means 64 degree plus 58 degree. That means 122 degree. XYQ is 122 degree. Now you have to find a reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP. Reflex angle QYP means this angle. Let us mark this with red color. You have to find this angle. So reflex angle QYP equal to sum of angle ZYQ plus angle XYZ plus angle XYP. So reflex angle QYP is sum of this angle plus XYZ angle plus this angle XYP. That means it's a line 180 degree. So ZYQ is 58 degree, XYZ is 64 degree plus 180 degree. We already find their sum 122 degree plus 180 degree. So this total sum is 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 over 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 302 degree. Right? So reflex angle QYP is 302 degree. Reflex angle QYP, reflex angle This is 302 degree. Thank you students for viewing this video. We will discuss similar exercise in the next class again. Bye bye.